Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, you can drink. Correct. Number 2, Bob will get onto a car or into. What do you think is right? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer drinks juice every day. Jennifer drinks juice every day. Juice. A liquid that is usually healthy and delicious, but not always. Now we can make a flashcard for juice. Juice is uncountable, so we cannot say a juice. That's wrong. I drink some juice every day is correct. I drink juice every day is correct. And a glass of juice is also correct. Please make a card like this. Write juice up here in the top left corner. J-U-I-C-E. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here, the number 26 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Juice. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I get into my car every day. I get into my car every day. Get into. You enter your car. You go inside your car. Now we can make a flashcard for get into. And I get in my car is also correct. We say both of them, 50%, 50%. Please make a flashcard like this. To get into a car or a taxi. Please write that up there. Down here, VID1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here, the number 19 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Car. Taxi. Taxi. Game over. You did really well today. What do you drink every morning? Some juice. Very good. And Bob will get into a car. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, correct. Jet with an E, a very fast airplane. Number 2, a pair of, when you have 2 things that go together. And to remove means to take something away from something. Today is Saturday, June 24th. This is Level 1, a complete 2-year course. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.